Welcome to 247chatapp guys. As you will see in this video, we are going to show you how to use condition block in the on 247chatapp bot. Let's get started from our dashboard panels. You can use the condition if you want to send your user a certain part of the flow, depending on the condition you set. I will give you some examples so that it will be easier to learn. The first example is about the user who is in a 24-hour window. To do that, add a condition block. And then add a condition. Choose the interaction in the last 24 hours. This setup is using a condition if the user has interacted 24 hours or not. If yes, then the subscriber will receive a message on Facebook Messenger. The other possibility is not. So if it is not, then the subscriber will receive a SMS. You can add conditions as per your need and business. As you can see, there are a lot of options to select. For the second example, it will help you to check in case the user has an email address on file. So you will add a condition block, then add a condition. Again, your choice. I'm going to choose email. Then choose has any value. This setup is using a condition if the customer has given an email address already and it is available in your database. Means it is on the file. So the subscribe means your user or your customer will continue with the conversation of the flow without giving again and again the email address. And the other possibility, which is very obvious if your customer did not give the email address before or it is missing on file. In this case, the bot surely will ask the user to give an email address. Don't forget to add emojis in your conversations. Engage your customer all the time. Let me just set the flow order and connect them to each other before I move further. Let me zoom out a bit to see the flow. Now, I'm going to add the third condition as the last example of the tutorial. Let's check if the customer has the welcome tag. If yes, then your user or customer or subscriber will be sent directly to the flow, and the other way around. If no, then the customer will be sent a welcome message on the channel where he or she is responding to. Great! You have learned how to use or how to add conditions to your flow for your users. One solution: endless AI applications. Thank you. We'll see you in next tutorial of 247chatapp.